Hello, everyone. My name is Ross Sutton, and I'm the Associate General Counsel of the Scientific Equipment and Furniture Association, also known as SEFA. And today I'm going to be talking about the SEFA Lab of the Year competition. So, a little bit of background on the SEFA Lab of the Year competition. The Lab of the Year is a global award recognizing innovation in laboratory design and excellence in execution. This competition was actually started by R&D Magazine back in 1967, but SEFA has managed the operations of the competition since 2020. We welcome submissions from architects, owners, and builders of all types of laboratories located anywhere in the world, and you do not need to be a SEFA member to submit a project or to win an award. So I just mentioned how SEFA has run the competition since 2020. So here are the six winners that we've had in those years. So in 2020, the David Rockefeller University River Campus was the SEFA Lab of the Year. Then in 2021, it was the Harvard University Science and Engineering Complex. In 2022, it was the Weill Neurosciences Building at the University of California in San Francisco. In 2023, it was the Seraphin Chem H and Wu Tsai Neurosciences Institute at Stanford. In 2024, it was the Roche P. Red Center in Basel, Switzerland. And most recently in 2025, the Emory University Health Sciences Research Building 2. So here are some competition details. Projects can be resubmitted to the competition if they have not been given an award in a previous SEFA Lab of the Year competition and the project was substantially completed and operational within the last 3 years. To ensure a conflict-free judging panel, the judges are not selected until after the submittal deadline of August 1st, and judges cannot have been involved in any of the projects submitted. Each year, the judges give out the Lab of the Year award, a high honors award, and they also have the ability to award other submitted projects with special recognition awards at their discretion. So, for example, in the 2025 SEFA Lab of the Year competition, the judges gave out two special recognition awards. One to the Pacific Northwest Grid Storage Launchpad for special recognition in excellence in technical design and engineering, and the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology Central Research Hub, which was given a special recognition award in strategic campus planning. The two competition finalists are then invited to SEFA's annual conference to make a presentation about their project. And those presentations are immediately followed by the announcement of which project is given the Lab of the Year award and which project is given the High Honors award. SEFA also publicizes the winning project on our LinkedIn page, which has thousands of followers. And we also publicize the winning project in various industry publications. The winner is also usually invited to speak at industry conferences and trade shows, such as TradeLine and Arab Lab. So you might be asking yourself, who exactly decides who wins the Lab of the Year every year? So here is a very typical example of the types of people that we have on the judging panel. So this is the 2025 panel of judges. And as you can see, we had Abby Gregg from AM Technical Solutions, Diane Case from Smith Group, Gio Adam from Roche, Stuart Lewis from Flat Architects, Derek Westfall from TradeLine, and Alex Kogan from the Rockefeller University. And we like to say that we give the power to the experts when it comes to making the decision as to who wins the Lab of the Year competition. As we at SEFA, we're simply there to moderate the conversation and keep the conversation going. So here's how the judges actually decide who wins the Lab of the Year competition. So after we've decided who will be the judges for that year, each judge rates each project on the following 12 criteria. Then, about a month later, we all meet in person or virtually for people that are abroad or can't make it in person that day. And we discuss every single project that has been submitted to the competition that year. And we're there for an entire day, and we're just talking about every project until the judges ultimately decide which project they think is most deserving. So if you're considering submitting a project, the 2020 winner of the Lab of the Year competition, the David Rockefeller University River Campus, was nice enough to allow us to post their submission to the competition on our website, sefalabs.com. So if you're considering submitting a project, I would recommend checking out that sample submission on our website. And lastly, here you can see the team from the 2025 winning project. And we like to say that the best testimonial for the SEFA Lab of the Year competition is the fact that people that have won the competition in the past are very eager to submit again, and they really want to win the award multiple times. So for more information about the SEFA Lab of the Year competition, visit our website at sefalabs.com. Thank you so much for listening. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and follow us on LinkedIn at SEFA Labs.